Morning, campers. So there's quite a lot of gumph in the news about foreigners, which is us non-Thai people, being charged up to 10 times more than a Thai person to go into national parks. And this practice is quite widespread on all sorts of different things, and obviously you can kind of see what it is, but we're not really going to go into it. What we're going to say is, instead of me being charged 400 or 500 baht to go into a national park, whereas Minitrons only charge 20, I've decided to bring the national parks home with me. One jet wash at a time. So I reckon in about 15 or 16 trips time, I will have imported enough dirt back here to open up my own national park. I'll be charging free entry for foreigners, 200 baht for Thais. So let's load up, because we're going off to a local lake with some really nasty lanes around it, and let's go and see what we can do with them. Videos later.